You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Convention tutandika ng'ennaku z'omwezi 18 paka ng'ennaku z'omwezi 23. Tugenda kubeera muno okusomesa kwaba manager, kwaba coaches, abatendesi, abatendeka ba boxers abazanya ebikonde eby'ensimbi. Tugenda kubaamu n'okusomesa abakulu abafuga oba abasala ebikonde eby'ensimbi. Kyensaba okutangaazamu nti ebikonde ebyabayigo by'Olympics ensala yaabyo ya njawulo n'eyebikonde bino eby'ensimbi. Wano tubadde tulinawo abakulembeze ring officials oba abalamuzi b'ebikonde bino abali ku ddaala erya national, naye abali ku ddaala erya Africa oba ery'ensi yonna tulinawo babiri bokka. Tuyina Irene Semakula oyo asala paka ku bikonde eby'ensi yonna, then James Ntale naye asala ebikonde ebya Africa. Kati guno gwe mukisa gwe tulina okulaba nti tufuna abatendesi ab'ebikonde okwenyigira mu lusoma luno, kubanga abatendesi bangi ab'ebikonde eby'ensimbi bakomplaininga bakaayana wano nga tumaliriza fight lwansonga nti tebamanyi kikonde kituwa points mu professional boxing. Ffe tulowooza nti bw'okuba obukonde obungi professional boxing bwetwala. Mu professional boxing ebikonde ebigaba points bye tuyita aggressive effective punches. Ekikonde ekyo ekikuba ne kirumya kye tuscoringa, kubanga mu professional boxing tetulinaayo tebayita clean boxing oba clean punches.
Convention. I'm happy and proud. This is the third time, and me being in office, this is the second time we are hosting ABU convention at this very place at Hotel Africana. I am proud to see we have hosted it as UPBC, as a commission, and as Uganda at large. You very well know there are a lot of people who will fight to get an ABU in their country because it will promote tourism, it will promote their country, and you can see the amount of money people are putting into promoting their country. So us having this convention to Uganda, I say big ups for UPBC, big ups for Uganda, big ups for the Ministry of Education, big ups to the media. The media, you have done us proud. You have done us so proud, especially in the boxing fraternity. You have made us what we are. And there's nothing else I can pay you. You are priceless. You are priceless. So I want to thank you so much for this. All the teamwork we've been having together. The boxers, what can I say? You are the best of the best. Because being in that ring, if you have never been in a ring, you will not know what it means. But at least I've been there the little. I was one of the first aspiring partner of Moti Nyakan. And trust me, I know what he did to me. So those boxers who are there in the ring, I can assure you, you're the best of the best, and you must be paid for your sweat. Promoters, we can't be there without promoters. You have done us proud, you have done us good work. We have some challenges, but we can sort out. The fans up there who have been coming, supporting us all along, what I can say is God bless you all. Because we cannot pay you the way you have been supporting us as UPBC and the country at large.